Hi, Daniel Parsons, parsonsmarketing.net. If you want to reach me, you can email me, daniel@parsonsmarketing.net. You can also call my office landline from 10:30 in the morning Pacific time until 6:30 p.m. Pacific time. That translates to 1:30 p.m. on the East Coast and 9:30 p.m. in the evening on the East Coast. The reason that I have those odd hours is the server in Malaysia for Price International, which is the parent company of the iNetwork, is a Malaysian company. Their server goes on maintenance at 12 Eastern every day for 90 minutes. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to use PayPal to top up your register wallet to enroll a new customer in iNetwork. So I'm logging into my wife Patricia's account, and down here at the bottom on the home page, normally you have a referral link and you also have a top-up link. Top-up links are for things like paying a shipping charge of $35 to get your product shipped into a Canadian customer from the US, or for things like keeping your account maintenance paid. If you're participating in the income plan, you would need to put $30 into your account if you don't have that in your bonus wallet. So that being said, right now, both of these links as of 16th of June are not working for, I don't know, it's a temporary period, and that's what I've been told. So I'm going to show you how to top up this register wallet right here to be able to enroll people in your iNetwork and be able to ship devices to your customers in the iNetwork. And we're shipping the iTeraCare Classics and the Pros right now quickly. The inventory is coming into the USA as I'm speaking. And so in the future, we'll have the premiums also. I've already been asked if I want a premium, so thank you. The company for asking me. I'm on the leaderboard, so maybe that's why they asked me if I wanted to be one of the first. So here we go. You will go into paypal.me and then /iNetwork to you, and you would just send $350, okay? And you would just type in this box 350. What's this payment for? You want to put top up and then your customer's name. So for the purpose of this video, top up my best friend. Okay, and so I put in top up Jesus Christ. And so you would just put the 350 here and then hit continue, because once you put the money in here, that continue button will light up. So I put 350 and see how that continue button just lit up. Hit that right there. I'm not going to take you to that page because it has sensitive information of mine. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to log in to my iNetwork because I've already done this. And I'm going to show you the next step that you need to do once you've submitted your payment. So I'm getting ready to get that. The temporary top-up links are not working right now. Close that. Once you've done the top up, go into your navigate and go into this. It's almost, I want to call it an orange button. It's a top up register wallet. Okay. Now, once I'm here, I've already done it. So I want to put 350. And I'm going to leave this drop down menu on bank. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to put it on cash. And I'm going to put in my security password right here. And I'm going to upload an image. I took a screenshot of the receipt that I have in my PayPal account. And so let me go into my pictures and let me go into screenshot. And in the screenshot, I will be able to put in top up register wallet right there. Okay, upload the image. Then Uploaded successfully. Okay. Submit. Top up success. Top up listing. Okay. Please go to top up listing to upload the receipt. So I'm going to go there. There it is. Top up listing, register wallet listing, receipt. So let me go in here. I'm going to have to go into my PayPal and create that receipt, and then I'll finish this up. But that should be enough for you to be able to do this. And then once you have that, you'll just go in and enroll the person. And what you'll do is you'll go into your register. Let's see. You're going to want to go in here, register new member. That's what you'll do, register. And so you're going to have in your register wallet, you'll have the money in here for the person. So a little bit different process right now, but the rest of this is pretty simple. Now, if you're going to have to top up somebody in Europe, remember it's $4.99. So your register wallet balance will have your money, and you'll put, if you're Europe, you'll put Europe. And right now for United Kingdom, until the stockist opens there, you're going to want to select international. Okay. And so I've done plenty of videos about why there's a difference in the price. So you can find those on my YouTube or my Rumble channel. It's simply that for all the European customers, all of your countries collect a customs value added tax. So that's why the price is different. So that's it. You're just going to use this register feature, and I'll go ahead and create a new blog post today about how to top up and register a new customer with the PayPal process. That's it for this video. We have the machines in Europe available right now from several different stockists to ship to you in Europe. I have machines arriving into the headquarters international stockist, ready to go to international clients, 220-volt machines, and machines are arriving in by the thousands into the USA. So the inventory backlog's getting cleared. Great news. So that's it for this update, how to top up with a PayPal. To find me on Telegram, just simply go to t.me and you will find me there. And that's it for now, or t.me/Daniel Parsons. That's it for now. Bye for this video update.